Hi, myself Shivakumar Swami Ramagirimat. I am from Kelly Technological University. The final assignment in the Skyfall lab, that is design of mat footing for the tall building structure. Initially, we go define the materials, go to the materials and added two materials, that is HYSD 500 and M40. M40 is a concrete and HYSD is a rebar. Then go to the define, select slab properties and add a new property, that is mat footing. Here the thickness of the slab is 1200 mm. Initially we have taken as 500 mm. After an analyze, we got the punching shear value is greater than 1. So to reduce that, we have increased the thickness up to 1200 mm. Click on OK. Click on OK. Go to the define and select load patterns. Here the dead load and live load is added. Click on OK and go to the load cases. Here the dead load and live load is added with the load case type is linear static. Go to the define, select load combination. Here the two combination, that is ultimate and serviceability load combination. In serviceability, in the dead load and live load of scale factor 1. Here the normal, service long term and service initially selected, and in ultimate strength, dead load and live load is scale factor is 1.5 and only ultimate strength is selected. Click on OK. Go to the define and go to the column properties, add two columns. So that is column 1 500 mm by 500 mm and material type is M40, and column 2 is 600 mm. Sorry, column 2 is 600 mm by 600 mm of material type M40. So after defining, we draw the columns. Go to the draw and select the draw columns. So we draw the columns. All the outer edge columns are 500 mm by 500 mm and inner 4 columns are 600 mm by 600 mm. So after defining the column, we draw the design strips. We draw the design strip of in the x direction 4 design strips and in the y direction 4 design strips. The design strip of width 4 meter, and these design strips pass through the center of the column. After drawing the design strips, we next assign the materials to the following. So initially we select the footing and go to the assign, select the support data and we assign the mat footing. After assigning the mat footing, we next assign the rebar materials. So for the design strip, right click on it. So here rebar material is HYSD 500. Initially it will be different, so after we have to define it as HYSD 500. Click on OK. After defining rebar materials, now we add the loads on each column. So for example, select the point on a column and go to the assign support load data and point load. Here two type of load, that is dead load and live load will be added. So after in the same way, all the columns are assigned with the loads, that is to both the loads, dead and live load. After assigning the load, we go to the run analyze. Yes, after run analyze, go to the run analyze and design. And go to the display, show punching shear values. So here all the punch and shear values lies below the 1, so it is all the values are less than 1, hence our design is safe. So after run analyze, you can check the reactions, and you can see the slab forces and stresses, that is maximum moment is selected. This is the, and go to the run and click on run detailing. Check, select all the basic detail optioning, select all 3 and click on OK. Yes, in the left of the screen, that is in model explorer, you can see the detailing. Select the detailing, go to the drawing component views, select the slab views and select the individual slab views. Here the mat one, in this you can see the repart table and bill of quantities and reinforcement profile at A, and it means in X direction and Y direction. So this completes the final assignment on the tall building and footing. This completes the course in the Skyfy lab. Thank you.